5 minutes dance workout. So today we're gonna do salsa for 5 minutes. You're gonna lose weight, you're gonna make your muscle lean, plus you will learn how to dance salsa. Follow along, don't stop. Here we go. We start with the 3 steps in place. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. So we're marching in place into the beat of the music. March, march, march. 1, 2, 3. Now make it more difficult. Use your middle muscles. Make your muscles work as we do that marching step. 1, 2. This is the rhythm of salsa we're learning. Engage your hips, engage your core, engage your chest. 1, 2. Listen to the music, feel the beat. Now we add body stretches. So hip going back, rib cage forward. So we stretch, creating diagonals. So later when we march, we can incorporate that. Stretch. Back to salsa. With the stretches, if we can. Make sure don't stop. Now we're gonna introduce a little bit walking step with the rhythm 1, 2, 3. So first we're gonna move forward slightly. Then back. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Remember when we dance salsa, the 3rd step is a little bit longer. Five, 6, 7, one more. Now we're gonna combine in place march with walking step. And back. One more time, in place. We walk forward. And we walk back. Now we're gonna introduce salsa basic. With the left leg we're going forward, replace back, together. Then we're going back, forward, together. One more time. Front, back, together, back, front, together with the rhythm. 1, 2, 3. So you already learned 3 steps as we're doing this exercise. So you learn how to march in place, you learn how to go forward and back, and also you learn basic salsa. Remember, engage your muscles, engage your core. And timing is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Now we're gonna add side steps. So we're going side, side, together. Side, side, together. Side, side, together. Side, side, with the music. Use your hips, use your body. Make your muscle work, don't do it too relaxed. And your arms here, like you run, doing circles or playing drum, whatever you wish. Just don't stop. And smile. Let's repeat all the steps. In place, going forward, 5, 6, going back, basic, and side to side. One more side to side. Now let's introduce diagonal basic. So going diagonal front, replace, together. Diagonal, replace, together. Each leg, one leg at a time. Keep going, don't stop. Use your muscles. Same backward. You're going back, replace, together. Back, replace, together. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Use your body, use your muscles. burn those calories and learn how to dance same time. Let's repeat. March in place with the rhythm. Going forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Going back. One more time forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Backward. Use your body. Side. See you at the next workout.